Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So as you can see, my LG V10 somehow got stuck on this AT&T logo. I was trying to open an app and then somebody went black, and I tried to press power and hold the power on to boot it out or to try to turn it off, and it just showed me this AT&T logo. So hopefully when I try to remove the battery, hopefully it's going to reset. Because I just bought this brand new case. I don't want to let it die. So just lift up the battery. You want to wait until for like 30 seconds or so. Then pop it back in. Hopefully the battery is not bulged. So it doesn't seem like it's bulged. And I'm going to try to turn it on. Hopefully it's going to turn it back on normally. So we're gonna wait until it sees fully uploading or booted or not. Uh-oh, what's going on? Alright, lucky. Enjoy starting. Optimize 5 out of 25 or 7 now. Please do not reboot the battery until complete. Okay, so it's asking me to enter my PIN number. I'm not sure why it's so dim. I don't know why it's so dim. I didn't even put it that dim. So yeah, you have to check on your setting and go to smart cleaning. As you see, temporary files and then raw files is 1.20 gigabyte. That's a lot. And then idle apps 129 megabyte. So that tends to mess up your or make your phone. That tends to make your phone froze up or acting weird. So we're gonna go ahead and clear that up. All you do is just hit clean and then yes, and that would make your phone function more smoother. Okay, so if you want, I can show you guys real quick, and then once you hit back, you want to go ahead and click on the idle apps and then click on clean whatever apps that's on here that's you don't need. So yeah, all you need to do is just go to setting. This is for the LG, and then click on general, and then scroll down to our smart cleaning right here, and then you're gonna go through that what I just did, temporary file and raw file. So it's gonna do this calculation first, and then your idle apps, also your download folder, but you want to be careful whatever that you want to delete. Maybe some of those are important that you need to keep. So make sure you go through the download folder and delete whatever that you don't want or it's unnecessary. So as you see right now, it's only at 4.69 megabyte. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and clean again. And just click on yes. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. If your phone got stuck in like a AT&T logo or T-Mobile logo or Verizon or Sprint PCS or Crooked or Metro PCS, US Cellular, you just need to reboot it or restart it. Because before this phone, my first LG V10 was defected. I guess it's due to overheating issues. So it got stuck in that, well, actually stuck in the LG logo instead of AT&T. So I'm glad this phone is still surviving, knock on wood. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.